What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It has been some time since I said I was going to make a review about the hybrid racing shifter, but now is the time. I finally decided to just do an in-car of the hybrid shifter because it has been past due, and I've actually had this shifter in my car for roughly over 10,000 miles now of hard daily driving. It has been solid ever since. Nothing's ever gotten loose on me. I had people that sent me DMs saying that the shifter got loose when they were using it, just rattles and stuff, but had nothing like that. I never had to tighten any of the hardware or the shifter or anything that's part of the shifter itself within the past 10,000 miles. It has been super good ever since, and I just never touched it. Huge shout outs to Hybrid Racing for sending me the shifter a while ago, and of course all the other goodies for this car. And I have to say, this is by far one of the best shifters I've had for this car. Before the hybrid shifter, I did have the K-Tune shifter. The K-Tune shifter, it was I mean, it's okay, but it's very sloppy. There's a lot of play versus this shifter. It's just super notchy, and I still have the OEM shifter cables. Hybrid Racing sent me out the shifter cables also, but I never installed it yet. And I'm still running the OEM cables with the shifter, and it has been amazing ever since. And if you guys can see, I am running the LTLParts, so my own shifter plate. So if any of you guys own a TSX, EG or DC, I actually have these on my site, so you can go check the link down below, or go to LTLParts.com to purchase actually one of these shifter plates. Also, huge shout out to everyone that placed an order for one of these, and also posted an Instagram story and tagged me so I could reshare it. So if any of you guys installed it and never posted it yet, post on your story, tag me on Instagram, and I'll repost it. And huge thank you for the support, and I'm so glad you guys love this shifter plate that I made for this car, because no one makes it for this car, and it's very unfortunate. But luckily, a lot of nice builds out in East Coast, West Coast, even Sydney and Canada. I've sent them out over there too. I've received it, and thank you guys. Oh yeah, and with the reflash, this car is such a blast to drive with this shifter. But yeah. Oh, and another good thing is, LTLParts.com, I am actually an official dealer for hybrid racing and DC sports. So if you guys want to buy one of these shifters, I'm actually including a 5% off Hybrid 5 on my website, and free shipping for orders over $100. So of course this shifter qualifies for it. So if you guys don't have this shifter, or any hybrid racing parts or header DC sports, go on LTLParts.com and shop there. And if you guys have any questions, send me an email or send me an Instagram DM. But let's get back to the review. Shifter blast. I've reviewed a lot of shifters. I've noticed I've done a lot of shifter reviews, but mainly on B series and D series, because that's all I had. And my brother's case swap with the K20 RSX hybrid shifter, of course. On all of my cars, hybrid racing. Ever since hybrid racing came out with that B series one, all of their shifters that I've owned has just been amazing. Right out of the box, you can adjust the shifter to have a shorter or longer throw. But I think for the most part, a lot of people that buy this shifter, including myself, we never adjusted the throw. So right out of the box, I just put it in the car, didn't adjust any settings, and it has been flawless and perfect ever since I threw it in this car. But let's go wash this car real quick, because this car is really, really dirty. I remember how to get there, yes. Hopefully the battery lasts till I go, or till I get there, but no guarantee. We're gonna go to a self-wash this time. I normally go through the, what is it called? The automated, but it's touchless, so don't you guys worry. Let's try to get more clips of me, I guess, going through gears. I am a bit rusty on reviewing shifters. Also, most of you guys don't know, but having a specific weighted shift knob does kind of affect the shifter, or just in general the shifting of the drivetrain overall. I had a heavier shift knob on this at first. I didn't like it, so I switched back to this spoon aluminum shift knob, and I forgot the weight on this one, but it's perfect, and it just feels really nice. Those type of drivers where they like, I guess, punching, which is me, right, like this, and there's people that have like the balls, like grabbing. I personally don't like round shift knobs, but there are a couple like round shift knobs I like. But for the most part, I've always stuck with this type of style shift knob. So teardrop, or just the spoon one, carbing, and I forgot what else companies make a specific shift knob. But yeah, so this is definitely the best combo I found. A lot of people run the Hybrid Racing Titanium Maxim shift knob. That works good. I actually had the Hybrid Racing 130R Duracon knob in there too, and it was amazing with this shifter as well. And the cool thing too is if it's your daily and you park it out in the sun, it doesn't get hot, versus this one, this thing heats up pretty well unless you have a sunshade. I have not greased or put any type of like lubricant in this shifter. It's literally just been solid ever since I got it. I've never done anything to it besides installing it. Well, let's go wash the car. Moving up to Irvine, I thought the roads are nice. The roads are nice, don't get me wrong, but some parts are like, what? Tops are under too. I've gone pulled over once, but overall, it's not bad. I feel like if you're doing something dumb, they'll pull you over, of course. This is the true test, me driving on the freeway and seeing if it's too loud. But I guess that's it for this video. If you guys haven't checked out my shifter place, LTLParts.com. I'm a hybrid racing dealer, DC sports dealer, 5% off on all hybrid racing products. Free shipping on $100 plus order, so if you guys haven't placed an order, now's the time. Save yourself money on shipping and 5% off on hybrid stuff. So, peace out, guys. So, it's others, and just keep building while I try to get through this traffic over here. But, yeah.